Welcome to AIStoriMate training video series. In this video I am going to show you how to create web story. Go to the left menu and click on Create Web Stories. Choose how you want to generate story. You can either choose Auto Create or Manual Story. Now give your story title and story idea or keyword. Once you click on Submit button and all of your story ideas shown to you. Once you choose your story idea and all AI-generated templates are shown on screen. Choose your desired story template and your template will be open in our exclusive editor. Now you can customize it according to your choice. Make sure to save every slide after editing. Otherwise your slide won't be saved. Get ready for a flavor explosion with our burgers. You can also add CTA text and link to your story. Once viewers click on it, it will redirect them to your insert URL. Once you're done editing it, click on Export and your story is ready. You can view your story. Get ready for a flavor explosion with our burgers. Share it to your desired social media platform. Thanks for watching video.